Okay, here we are coming into the west entrance of the herb garden, which we call Herb Gulch. Going to take a quick walk through, and right off the bat you see a big comfrey plant. Great for cuts and burns to heal. I've used that. There's some rhubarb. And looks like the yarrow is blooming. It's got some pretty blooms. And it's actually good for keeping the insects away. And of course lavender. Good for you tense people who need to relax. Oh, we can't pass up the chocolate mint, one of my favorites. Gotta have a sample of that. Smells like a mixture between chocolate and mint. Oh yes, one of my favorites, cilantro. Good for Mexican food. Tastes really good. And got some thyme over here. It's kind of recouping. Cross another bridge. These sedums are really nice. For those of you who have a hard time growing anything, you can grow this sedum. It's easy to grow. And the lovage that's blooming. And we've got some elderberries that are blooming too. Those are very high antioxidant berries, even higher than blueberries. And some hyssop there. Some chives. Apple mint. And a nice shady place to rest, although it's not too shady this morning. It will be here in a couple of hours. There's a bunch of peppermint. Well, that's just a sampling of all that's here. There's some raspberries, red raspberries over there. And of course, we have the waterfall, which is not going right now. And here's our new bridge. Across that. And we have some greens that we've been eating off of here. Really tasty. And that's the end of the tour.